Okay, bye. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today is the day before Poila Boishak. So I'll be going out with my friends, and today's video is all about all the prep, skincare prep that I will be doing since morning. So yeah, keep on watching. Hi, so yesterday I got this banana rice water yogurt hair mask from Fab India, and today I'm going to try that out. So let's see what are my first impressions. Something bit me here. Anyway, all the hair care and skincare done, and now I'm just going to apply sunscreen. So that was it for the skincare and hair care part. My skin was feeling very dehydrated, so that is why I did that mask. And my hair also, I felt like yesterday I went to Fab India and I saw this mask and I thought, okay, let me give it a try. This was the first time I actually used a hair mask that I bought. Usually I just use like curd or egg white mask or onion juice mask all at home, but this was the first time I used something store-bought. So my first impression was that the smell was very banana-ish, and yeah, my hair does feel quite soft, but let it dry and then I will give you guys a better review. So that was the first impression. So the next part of this video is going to be the get ready with me part, the makeup part, which I'm going to do for the evening. So yeah, like, keep on watching. Hello everyone, so now I'm going to do my makeup, but before I do my makeup, I'm going to tell you a few things about all the skincare and everything that I did today. So I applied that mask and my hair feels super soft. So first impressions, I like it. The curd and honey mask has made my skin quite, healthier. I feel it's better. And remember that bite, some insect bite I had in the morning? I used Borolin and it's gone. So I'm happy. Now I'm going to start with the makeup. First I'm going to start with this Olay Luminous Light Perfecting Serum. I really like this serum. I think it gives you that healthy glow from within. Love it. Me and my mother, we have already purchased the second bottle of this. So yeah. Next I'm going to use this primer essence from Smashbox. It's the mini bottle. Now my face is already healthy and moisturized, so I'm not going to apply any thick moisturizer. I'm going to go with I'm going to go with this Lakme Lumi cream. Before that I'm going to just prep my lips with this Hyphen vitamin infused peptide lip balm. If you don't mind the strong fragrance this has, it's really good. So this is the Lumi cream, and again I'm just gonna apply it on the high points of my face, not the entire face. I don't want my entire face to sparkle, so just this bit. And really take my time to massage it into the skin. When you're applying something like this, make sure to not apply it in your under eyes, because that kind of will make your under eyes glow, and I don't want that. So yeah, I think this is the first time I'm actually talking while doing my makeup, so there's always the first time. I will use a mattifying primer, but just on these areas, under my eyes and a little bit on my nose. Okay, so this primer, not that great. Like, look at the, I don't know, the consistency is really bad. Just keeps falling everywhere. Okay, I'm going to start with my eyes. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and with a flat brush I'm going to do a smoky eyeliner. That is how it's supposed to look. I'm going to do the other eye and then intensify it. Once you get a certain structure, you can build on it and intensify it. Okay, now I'm going to intensify it. I'm going to directly apply the kajal and smudge it. Okay, so eyeliners are done. I'm going to do a little bit of crease shading. I'm going to use the 90 neutral palette. I'm not going to open it and show you guys because it's already broken. But yeah, I'm going to use, look, it's really sad. Anyway, I'm going to use a little crease shadows, like these neutral shadows. Oh no. Then I'm going to take a darker brown shade and intensify the crease line. Next I'm gonna like just line my lower waterline, but not the full one. Like, I won't line it completely because then my eyes will look smaller. So just the outer corner. I love a good smudged out eyeliner. Now it's time for the base makeup. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me. So the concealer that I use a lot from Maybelline, the Fit Me concealer, it's over. So this is what I have been using instead of that. So, oh shit, I applied quite a lot. Anyways, but this shears out well, so I think it's fine. First round of blending will be with my hands only, not anything else. Then I'm going to use a beauty blender, just normally blending it out. Usually if it's not an event, I'll just apply it in my under eyes and let it be, but today I thought I'll apply it all over my face. If you didn't know, I was a completely foundation free person. I still am. I don't know the last time I bought a foundation, ages ago. Tints, I'm trying out tints and I think it's better than a foundation. I mean, foundation is too much. Okay, so now I'm going to take the beauty blender and blend out the entire thing. See, it has a sheer coverage. It does not completely cover this zit I have, which is fine. I don't have an issue. Next comes this concealer from K by Katrina. This is a good concealer. I mean, this brand is a good brand. I like it. So yeah, just going to brighten my face with this. I'm going to be wearing a sari today, a black and white sari. We'll wear it later. First, it's the makeup. I try to keep my base as light as possible. I think that should be the goal. Just going to blend out with my fingers first and then use a blender. So I don't know if I should use my Rare Beauty or my Patrick Ta blush. I mean, both are so good, except you know what what we just discovered, me and my sister. This one was leaking in our beauty box. I don't know why, but yeah, I mean, have you faced such a thing with any of your blushes? Because we are very upset that this is happening. Anyways, so I don't know which one to go for. Okay, I think I'll go for the Patrick Ta one because I've just used this once. The video link will be here. I will use this a second time. I'm just going to use my fingers, the cream blush. This is very balmish, you know. Should I apply it with my beauty blender? I don't know. Okay, the pigment is not coming out. Wait, I've just a little bit more. Yes, this should be the thing. Building it up a little bit more. Okay, now I think you guys can see it. I think it's quite sheer, like the coverage, but when you combine the two, I think it makes all the difference. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring, very little, and then I'm going to use powder blush and set my under eye area. Now I'm going to take this powder blush and apply it here. Now it's time to add powder. First I'm gonna blend out the under eyes. I'm going to just touch up the eyeliner with some eyeshadow. For the rest of the part, like the inner part, I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow. You know, when I sit to do makeup, especially in front of the camera, I just get late. Right now my friend called and I realized that I'm late. Anyways, if you don't know, I don't really do my brows. I like it like this. Max I do is brush it out. But yeah, that's about it. I'm very tempted to use a little bit more blush. I don't know what to do. I have the beauty blender in my hand. I have the blush. I don't know if I should go ahead with this. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara. Beautiful mascara. For my lipstick, I'm going to do a little daring something. Usually when I do eyes like this, I go for nude lips. But today, I want to do red lips. And this is the Fenty, what is this? MVP, yes. The OG lipstick. Now, I have given a review of this before. It does spreads, but the pigmentation is to die for. Like the satisfaction when you apply this lip. Oh my god, what just happened? Okay, this is really weird. I am very weirded out at this point of time. But okay, we'll just go ahead and ignore this. I don't know, should I be worried? Is this not ready to be in the Calcutta heat? What is happening? I don't know, but okay. We're just gonna go and apply. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna do this. I hope everything is okay. It's such a nice lipstick. Here's how my lips look. I'm just going to line the edges. So this is it. This is the look. I'm just going to go wear my sari and jewelry and everything and get back to you guys. So yeah, what do you guys think?